Hello and welcome to Finance Tips and Tricks. My name is Tony, and in this video we're going to be talking about Investing 101, Simple Strategies for Beginners. In this video, we will be discussing the basics of investing and providing easy-to-follow strategies for those new to the world of investing. Step 1. Understanding the basics of investing. Investing can seem intimidating, but it's important to understand the basics. Investing is simply the act of putting your money into something with the expectation of making a return. This can be done in a variety of ways, such as stocks, bonds, real estate, and more. It's important to understand the different types of investments and the level of risk associated with each. Step 2. Setting investment goals. Before you start investing, it's important to have a clear understanding of your investment goals. Are you looking to save for retirement? Are you looking to generate passive income? Or are you looking to grow your wealth? It's important to have specific goals in mind so you can make informed decisions about where to invest your money. Step 3. Creating a diversified portfolio. One of the most important things to understand about investing is the concept of diversification. Diversification means spreading your money across different types of investments to reduce your overall risk. A well-diversified portfolio will include a mix of stocks, bonds, and other types of investments. This helps to ensure that if one type of investment performs poorly, the others will help to offset the loss. Step 4. Starting small. Investing can be overwhelming, especially for beginners. That's why it's important to start small. It's much better to invest a small amount of money and see a return, than to invest a large amount and lose it all. Start with a small amount of money, and as you become more comfortable with the process, you can gradually increase the amount you invest. Step 5. Staying educated. Investing can be a lifelong journey, and it's important to stay educated. This means staying informed about the markets, different types of investments, and new investment strategies. There are many resources available, such as books, online courses, and financial advisors to help you stay informed. Step 6. Starting to invest. Now that you have a basic understanding of investing, it's time to start putting your money to work. You can start by opening a brokerage account, which will allow you to buy and sell stocks, bonds, and other types of investments. There are many online brokerage firms that make it easy for beginners to get started. Investing can seem intimidating, but by understanding the basics, anyone can start on the path to financial success. Remember, investing is a lifelong journey, and it's important to stay informed and continuously expand and improve your portfolio. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more financial tips and advice.